Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C33. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. Unlock it, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none, and we are going to use each one to unlock the phone. Now let's select swipe, PIN, password, and in the end, pattern. Once it's done, we can go to face and fingerprint unlock and simply go to face unlock, scan your face in this area, Unfortunately, I can't scan my face right now because of the lighting in the room I'm currently in. But basically you scan your face in front of the front camera and then you'll be able to use it to unlock the phone. So next, let's go to face and fingerprint unlock, and this time select fingerprint. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. The sensor is located on the power button. Tap done, and now you can unlock your phone via fingerprint. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.